Malaikat Hukum International Law Firm recently hosts Malaikat Cup at Bali Dragon Football Futsal Court on Jalak Subaksari, Kerobokan Klot, North Kuta Badung. The futsal tournament, which brought together the expatriate community and local residents here in Bali, was thrilling high-stake affair. The event also doubled as the 9th birthday celebration for Brian, the son of the firm founder. Ms. Niluh Ari Ratna Sukasari, the founder of Malaikat Hukum International Law Firm, noted the surge of expatriate here on the island. She emphasized that the mission of the law firm is to bridge the gap between Indonesian legal expertise and global standards from east to west. Beyond the law, she believes the law firm has a responsibility to educate newcomers on Indonesian custom and etiquette to prevent legal missteps. This event also served as an introduction to Bali Dragon football as a premier, eco-friendly venue for futsal. The Malaikat Cup is designed as a hub to foster cooperation and harmony between expats, their families, and the local populace. The matches feature expat adults and their children who share a passion for soccer. Many participants are clients of the law firm, along with children from the SBB club who are Brian friends. Soccer was chosen because it is a universal language that teaches teamwork, fairness, and kindness. When playing together, the focus is on mutual support, regardless of where you come from.
Football is an international sport, teaching teamwork, fairness, and kindness. When we learn to play together, we learn how to support each other, no matter where we come from. In Bali, we believe in harmony. Today is about expats and local from different backgrounds coming together, playing together with respect, as in Bali, diversity is in our strength.
Meanwhile, Gareth Benson, an international lawyer at Malaikat Hukum International Law Firm and team captain, expressed his pride in the law firm sponsoring the tournament. He noted that coinciding the event with Brian's 9th birthday highlight how diversity can be a collective strength.
Malaikat Hukum International Law Firm is a proud sponsor of the Bali Dragons. Here we celebrate strength is our diversity. And today, celebrating Brian's 9th birthday, we had international families, expats playing with Indonesians, lawyers playing with financiers. And today we really forged a strong team environment to know that cross-cultural understanding is playing a fair game.
Following the matches, medals were presented to the players and the championship trophy was awarded to the winning team. The festivities concluded with Brian's 9th birthday celebration and a group photo. Rais Wantara, Bali TV.